Hi, my name is Sam Smalden. I'm president of Trochu Housing Corporation. I'm here to speak with you today about the life lease option in the project that we're planning to build in Trochu, Alberta. This project is for the area surrounding Trochu and in Kneehill County, and it is a project that is in need for seniors housing. The Trochu Housing Corporation was started as a municipal corporation by the town of Trochu to meet this need. The living options at the Trochu Housing Facility include 3 different types of housing for seniors. There is independent life lease housing, which provide independent living in apartment-style suites. There are 24 of those on 3 different floors. There are also 16 units, which are replacement units from St. Mary's for Lodge, and these are folks and seniors who need to have supportive living, 3 meals a day, housekeeping and laundry, and medication assistance, and basically home care from Alberta Health Services, and that is provided by Covenant Care. These 16 units will replace the 28 units that are currently at the St. Mary's facility. The other 28 units at the St. Mary's facility will be replaced in this project by 40 units of DSL, that's Designated Supportive Living. In continuing care, this will cover Supportive Living 4, Supportive Living 4D, and long-term care. So there will be 16 more units of long-term supportive living in this project than currently exists at St. Mary's. So 28 units are a replacement and 16 units are new to meet the demand. So a life lease is basically 2 things. One, it is a borrowing agreement. It is an agreement to borrow funds to help build this project. Without these funds, we will not be able to build this project. This borrowing of funds will be called a life lease deposit. That money will be paid to us as Trochu Housing Corporation and held in trust for you as a deposit in your name. Then there will be a monthly rental, which is $1,850 a month. So for every month that you reside at the life lease, there will be a monthly rental charge. And that charge covers the mortgage, the maintenance, the operating costs like utilities, the property taxes. Also covers the staffing to support and manage the units. And included in that is parking. We have underground parking. We have 1 stall for each suite. We also have cable, the basic cable or direct satellite is included, and we have a nurse call system which operates as a keyless security as well as a nurse call if you are in need of assistance. And then the telephone is also included, and that long distance is free. And the last thing I wanted to mention was that the life lease is part of a larger community where you can age in place. You can have social interaction with other people in your community, and you will basically get the health care that you need. If you don't have any health care and you move in and you need health care over time, that health care will be provided by AHS, and that will be through Covenant Health. The contact for this is through myself. I can be reached at 403-586-2702, or you can contact me at sgsmallldon@gmail.com, or you can contact the town of Trochu and ask for Jamie Collins. So this facility will affect meeting the need for replacing the St. Mary's facility. That facility is aged and needs to be replaced. It does not meet current standards, and the Ministry of Health has acknowledged that that facility does need to be replaced. So this project will replace the 56 units that are there, plus there will be 24 life lease. And so this life lease plays a very vital role in providing a seniors community in the surrounding area of Trochu and Lee County. We currently have 16 of the 24 life lease units reserved, and we would ask you to please come help us make sure this project is a reality. And if you have any questions, please phone the town office and inquire or pick up materials at the town office. Thank you.